Hi, welcome to Excel in Excel with Dom's Tech. Today we're looking at the if formula. The if formula can be used for many things to analyze lots of data. And what we're doing today is we're looking at to see the grades of students based on the scores on exam results. So what we're going to do, we're going to say if the grade is greater than 60, so this is the test criteria, this is what we are testing, then if it is greater than 60, this is going to return a certain value which we put here, and that is a pass. If it doesn't, then it's going to return the second value, which is fail. So if we just insert the formula, we start with an equals then an if, open the bracket to activate the formula, then we say is cell B4 greater than 60? If this is, we want this to pass. That means anything we put after the first comma is the value with which is going to appear if it passes the criteria. After the second comma, this is the value which will appear if it doesn't pass the criteria. So if something is less than 60, it will come up with what we type here, which in this case is a fail. So when we press enter, we can see the score is 34, which is a fail. And what we do now, we just drag that formula down so we can see the scores for every single student. So as you can see, 80 is a pass, 60 a fail. What we can do here is actually look to see greater than equal than. This is very important. I've listed a key down here, so pause the video, take a good look at it, and see exactly or precisely what you need. So today we're looking at the greater than equals to. So is it equal to or greater than 60 in this case? So because this is 60 exactly for Luke, it's marked as a fail with the existing criteria. So what we can do, just add the equal sign in, press enter, then that comes up with a pass now. So as you can see, it's greater than or equal to. So because this isn't greater than 60, which would be 61, it's actually equal to 60, so now that is a pass. If we're looking at the specific breakdown of certain grades, we can do this with putting a few ifs together. This is called an embedded if. So what we do, we start again with the if criteria, and what we're doing, we're just copying the formula here. So again, click on cell B4, and we're saying, is that greater or equal to 80? If it is, it's going to be a merit. So this is the first test case that it's putting cells through. So is the first test, is the cell value greater than 80, merit. Now, you can see we've moved on to the value if false. So this is when we start the next if. So again, if, open bracket, and now we're saying, is cell B4 again, is that greater than equal to 60? If that is, then that is classified as a pass, because that is the value that we're putting in there at the moment. If this isn't the case, this is after the fourth comma, we're saying if this is not past test case 1, which is it greater than equal to 80, it's not past test case 2, is it greater than equal to 60, so because of that, it has to be a fail. And you can have any criteria you want in here. The values of merit, pass and fail are assigned by us, so we can put in whatever we want, any values for anything. So we just close the final bracket off, then that's put in there. So as we're rolling the formulas down, we can see certain grades will come up as merit instead of just a pass, what you had first time. And that's because of the extra embedded if that we've placed in there, which is giving us more precise details of the values that we need. Remember to look at each of these formulas in isolation, pause it, assimilate what you're looking at, look at the information in detail, the practical examples are here of what we've actually done specifically, and good luck. Thank you.